12th standard economics, second lesson, national income, second part. Fourth one, net national product, NNP. Net national product refers to the value of net output of economy during a year. NNP is obtained by deducting the value of depreciation or replacement allowances of the capital assets from GNP. So that is expressed as NNP equal to GNP minus depreciation allowance. Depreciation is also called a capital consumption allowance. NNP factor cost to the market value of output, whereas NNP factor cost is total income payment made the factors of production. Thus, the forms of money value of NNP at market price, we deduct the amount of indirect taxes and added subsidies to arrive at the net national income at factor cost. So NNP at factor cost equal to NNP at market prices minus direct taxes plus subsidies. Next one, personal income. Personal income is a total income received by the individuals of the country from all sources before payment of direct taxes in the year. So the personal income is never equal to the national income because the former included for transfer payment, whereas they are not included in the national income. Personal income is derived from the national income by deducting the undistributed corporate profit and employees' contribution to the social security schemes and adding the transfer payment. So personal income equal to national income minus social security contribution and undistributed corporate profits plus transfer payment. Next one, sixth one, disposable income. Disposable income is also known as a disposable personal income. It is the individual income after the payment of income tax. This is amount available for a household for consumption. So disposable income equal to personal income minus direct taxes. Yes, the entire disposable income is not spent on consumption. So that is a disposable income equal to consumption plus savings. Next one, seventh one, the per capita income. The average income of the person of a country in a particular year is called the per capita income. First one. Per capita income is obtained by dividing the national income by population. So per capita income equal to national income by population. Next, eighth one, real income. Real income is a national income expressed in the terms of general price level of the particular year. Real income is a buying power of the nominal income. Nominal income is the final value of goods and services produced and expressed in the terms money at current prices, but it does not indicate the real state of the economy. The real income is derived national income at constant price equal to national income at constant price plus P1 by PO. P1 price index during the current year, PO price index during the base year. So next one, GDP deflator. GDP deflator is an index of the price changes of goods and services including GDP. It is a price index which is calculated by dividing the national GDP in given by the year real GDP for the same year in multiplying by 100. GDP deflator equal to nominal GDP by real GDP into 100. Next remaining question answer, you want to complete the self-test note.